What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. So in today's video, we're going to be back on the 2019 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk, and in today's video, we're going to be uncovering some hidden damages that we didn't originally know about when we purchased this vehicle. Let's jump right into it and see what we found. So what we're going to focus on mainly in this video is hidden damage that occurred in this area right here where the main impact happened. First, we're going to take a look at some very minor damage to this frame rail. There's a little bit of kinking that we didn't notice originally. We're going to see if we can get that straightened out with some basic hand tools here in the garage, and if not, we will load it up and take it to the frame machine to get that pulled out properly. Next, we're going to work on replacing one of the VVT cam phasers, as well as repairing some damaged wiring that we have here for that VVT phaser. So we're going to jump right in first, get the frame rail knocked out, and then move on to getting the wiring and the cam phaser removed and replaced properly. As you guys may have seen, unfortunately, we were not able to repair that frame damage with basic hand tools. We are going to now have to load up the Jeep, take it to the frame machine, and get it pulled out using a proper frame machine. So we're going to get that done right now and get that rail lined up straight and perfect again. So now we have the Jeep back from the frame machine. The frame rail turned out perfectly. It's straight and everything lines up perfectly with the new radiator support installed. I'm super happy that everything worked out. Now we're going to go ahead and paint up any chips of paint on that frame rail after we repaired it, so it won't rust and won't have any issues down the road. And then we're going to move on to replacing the VVT cam phaser and repairing the wiring harness for it. guys, that is going to be the end of today's video. We got a ton accomplished today. We were able to repair that damaged frame rail, the VVT cam phaser, actuator, and its damaged wiring, as well as some damaged and dented cooling lines that were running on the front side of the motor. This thing's going to be running good as new in no time, and I'm super happy that we got everything repaired, and it seems to be doing very well. If you guys like the content you've seen in this video and in this rebuild process so far, please feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share some of these videos with your friends if you think they'll find them interesting as well. Again, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and have an awesome day.